Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today's video is gonna be a video about the tutorial how to collaborative spreadsheet with your teamwork. So for example, I already have the documents that I prepared to you for the tutorial. Open your documents, and whenever you are already choose the documents that you want to share to. So you just need to go click these three small dots on the documents that you want to share it into, and after that you just need to go click manage and access. In this manage access, you just need to go click this restricted part and change from restricted into anyone with a link. And after you choose or change the restricted into anyone with a link, you can also decide what access that you want to give into your teamwork. So if you want to give the documents for your partner to fill it, so you just need to go click editor. So the partner that you send the link of this document will be able to edit the documents. So after you're done, you just need to go click this part to copy the link, and the link is ready to send into your coworker. So that's the way how to do collaborative with the spreadsheet in your teamwork. If you find that today's tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.